This video shows how to replace the XE7440 sled within a PowerEdge XE7100. Before you begin, power off the sled. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first loosen the blue thumb screw on the rear of the enclosure and pull the sled lever. Holding the sled handle, pull the sled out of the enclosure. To replace the XE7440 sled, slide it into the enclosure until it is fully seated. Then, push the sled lever and tighten the blue thumb screw. You've replaced the XE7440 sled within a PowerEdge XE7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.